FOSHAN Zhongqi Packing Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of packing machine engaged in research, development, design, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service. Zhongqi is established in 2017, located in Leping Town, Shanshui District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province in China, with convenient transportation access. It is only 50 kilometers away from Guangzhou Baiyun Airport. We're specialized in granular packing machine, powder packing machine, and liquid packing machine for over 10 years. Zhongqi is a powerful and promising professional packaging machinery manufacturer. Its products have excellent performance, high technical content, advanced production technology, and all products are in line with international quality standards in many different markets around the world, are well received. At the same time, we can offer services on relevant inquiry, design, and produce customized packing machines according to special requirements from customers. Our founder, Tony, is an engineer with 20 years experience in packing machine. He successfully led our R&D department to develop and design customized product for our customer. Our products have been exported most of the world, such as North America, Southeast Asia, Western Europe, Mid-East, and South America. It is our aim to provide high-quality products and considerate service. If you're interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We're looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the future.